Build a massive credit score
using RentReporters and FFS to report the bills you're already paying.
Your credit score affects the financial options you have in life. The higher your score, the more opportunity you have to create the life you want. Maybe that means getting rid of that prepaid cell phone plan, or getting a lower interest rate credit card, that job you really want, or even your dream home. Your credit score is affected by the length of your credit history and whether you have paid your bills on time. This includes student loans, credit cards, and car loans. Late payments are also included and will cause your score to go down. But what about your rent? Good question. Unfortunately, your rent is not included in your credit score. That's right, the largest monthly expense for most renters has no impact on their credit score. We decided it was time to change that. That's why we created RentReporters. We work with your landlord to report your on-time rent payments to the credit bureaus because we think you should get rewarded for the good you're already doing, paying your rent on time every month. With RentReporters, watch your on-time rental payments increase your credit score. A higher credit score means you'll have access to better options and choices to design the kind of life you want. Sign up today